Yo, Ringo.
Guys, I'd just like to say something for the camera. This dude comes out every single week and does this for us homeless people. I'm homeless on the streets, and if it wasn't for this guy here, some nights I wouldn't even eat. So I'd just like to say what he is doing is absolutely fabulous, and thank you for this man, and God bless you all. And God bless and keep up the good work. Peace.
We've been missing you guys, man. Thank you for your guys' generosity, man. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Food is smashing. Yeah, it is. Yes, but even that. And what was that veg?
Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah. Street power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Yes, people, big up yourself. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, people. Yeah, we're cooking some chicken back for the homeless today. So look and see what I go on. So I'm just here, you know, just want to clean up process. Just clean up the chicken. You understand, people? Yeah. So I have good vibes. That is it. From one heap of chicken back there, we are clean up today, people. Yeah. And we're gonna hit the strip in about. When everything clean up, we're gonna hit the strip, people, yeah, and cook them food there quickly for the homeless. I don't know, so them I look out for Ringo vision today. Have good vibes to that there. And the chicken back, people, yeah, have good vibes. Right. Yes, everyone, so I'm using the all-purpose seasoning mix. A good vibe. So, yeah, man, just rub some seasoning on the chicken, people. Yeah, that is it.
Broski.
Yeah, understand? Yeah, man. A good vibes, everybody. Yeah, that is it. So, welcome. Man, your finger in the pocket car, your finger in there. Welcome on the program, everybody. You just come through in the program. Big up yourself for coming through. Look at that. So, the whole of the chicken, they just seasoned up right now. Alright, we're going to slap that in a pot and we're going to fry them up and brown stew them up. That is it, a good vibe. Big up yourself. That is it. Alright, everyone, so what I've just done here, I put some browning on the chicken, you understand? Brown them off quickly. That is it. A good vibe now. Rinse off me and them look. I have to be so careful because, you know what I say. That is it. Operating said way, people, yeah. Depends on the fire. Grab the pan for a second car. Sort out some oil, you understand, people? Good vibes. Yes, everyone, so what's happening now? Just rinse off all the vegetables them that I'm going to be using for the brown stew, you understand? Good vibes, people, yeah. Big up yourself. That is it. Good vibes. Yeah, we have the brown stew on the fire right now. Yeah, So we got our shopping trolley outside now. Look at that. Wow, we got our shopping trolley outside now, everyone, yeah. And what's gonna actually happen here, we're just fast cooking it because more time when we're in the shopping trolley, yeah, and the other cooker, it's taking long, but we've got a big blaze in the fire right now to just fast track the thing. That is it, our good vibes. Just cutting up the ingredients. I'm just cutting up the ingredients. Come have a look in the pot. Yeah, man, so I'm just cutting up the ingredients from now, people, yeah. In the pot, the heat in this little kitchen here, yeah, is piping. You understand? A good vibe. So I'm just cutting up all the peppers. Put garlic. I put all ginger. I put carrot. I put tomato. You understand, people? Yeah, a good vibes. So we're just doing a brown stew chicken back, and then I'm gonna add the last ingredient, which is some potatoes, people. Yeah, so it's a big one pot. This, you know. Yeah, man, it's a one pot. That one pot me I did in the seat here. See the tomato, you know. Chopping up some tomato into the pot, people, yeah. That is it, a good vibes. Big up yourself, you just come on the program, people, yeah. Because what we're doing here, we're trying to feed 1 million homeless people. We're trying to feed 1 million people, yeah. You see I'm sweating off in the kitchen because the heat in here is not normal. And it's very, very hot outside as well. You understand? But you have to come out and do the mission. I'm using this stove here because it's like fast tracking what I'm doing on the gas stove, because the gas stove of lately, it's just been taking a long time to cook the food. So guess what? We just fast track the thing this evening. Because we just wanted to come out and just mash up the food. So everything is I understand. A rustic pot. This one is like a rustic pot, people. No particular shape or size. This is a chop up some vegetable, put in a pot, and you know it's a flavors we are create. Same time. A good vibes. Yeah, man. That is it. See it there? Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so carrot. Yeah, man, just putting in some carrot in the pot right now on a normal thing. Yeah, we're cooking for the homeless people, yeah? That is it. A good vibes. Yeah, carrot, yeah. Carrot. We're gonna touch the road in a minute, you know, people, yeah? I'll go back. Adding some onion, some red onion, you understand? Red onion gives some flavor, so I'm adding quite a bit of onion into there, people, yeah? A good vibes. This pot here, people, here, now let the garlic in the skin like that. Just drop them in and boil out. You understand? Boil out. Add a little more browning. Good vibes, that. You understand? Yes, people. Wow, look at that. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Some brown stew. Some brown stew chicken back, people, yeah, look at that. Yeah, man, that is it, everyone, yeah. So I put the potatoes them in there now, people, to make it just go and cook down, you understand? That is it, our good vibes. Alright, we can see what's going on now, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. Alright, so we're gonna go and put the food now on the shopping trolley, people, here, and touch the roadside. That is it. Look at that. Yes, people, so we're out. Yes, people, so we're outside now with the food. A good vibes. That is it. Up on the high street, you know. Both side. A good vibes. Alright, people, yeah. I'm just gonna take food right now. Come. There you go. There you go.
Café solo. Oh. No, solo.
There's a fork here as well.
I get homeless people food.
Yeah.
That's good. I want that soup.
No man, just some brown stew, like a one pot. Yeah, like a one pot with some everything in it.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, just a one pot.
That's good.
Yes.
Oh,
No, this is for the homeless.
that's good. I'm feeling good.
Yes, everybody, so our good vibes. So we're just outside, we're just handing out some food. We're just right by the station right now. We're just going to be giving out some food right out here by the station, people, yeah? That's it. Big up yourself. Our good vibes.
What little? Just a potato, please.
Potato, yeah?
Peppers?
Carrots? Yeah.
Go now. Yes.
Oh, one more potato. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let me give you pork.
Salt.
He made me upset. Yeah, I came screaming out of the window.
Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Yes, everyone, our good
Seven.
vibes.
Can I have one?
You want the next one?
Could you come up with
Huh?
my soldiers? Can I have one?
You want the next one, yeah?
I'm the last.
See? You just can't say no to it, can you? What's on? Yeah, eat some. Right, eat a little bit at least. Eat a little bit. Huh? Where are you going, Baba? Eat a little piece of fruit still.
You're on TikTok, hey?
Yeah.
Can you put your TikTok name in please for me, please?
It's Ringo Vision.
I can't read them right.
Okay, give me a second,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in. Should I do your food, babe?
Yeah, please, please, thank you very much. Should I be the boss? Should I be the boss for me?
So I can follow you, then I know what days you're going to be out.
Yeah. Here you go, love.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You want my tea?
It smells so good.
Put that meat in the go and love it. Yes, God. Yes, my bro. Bless you, my brother. Thank you. Yes, boy.
That looks delicious. What is it? Chicken oxtail was?
It's like a brown stew, isn't it?
Ah, brown stew chicken. Yeah, that's what I had the first time from you guys, man. It looks delicious.
Oh yeah, I remember,
We've been missing you guys, man. Thank you for your guys' generosity, man. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Food is smashing.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, but even that, and what was that vegetable thing that I don't like vegetables in that soup that you done last time?
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man.
Guys, I'd just like to say something for the camera. This dude comes out every single week and does this for us homeless people. I'm homeless on the streets, and if it wasn't for this guy here, some nights I wouldn't even eat. So I'd just like to say what he is doing is absolutely fabulous, and thank you for this man, and God bless you all. And God bless and keep up the good work. Peace.
Thank you for your generosity, brother. Thank you so much. Thanks again, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Let me carry it.
Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate it. Yeah? No, no, what days I can come out, meet up, and get some nice food off you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
I'll put the updates.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you. And thank you very much.
My darlings, it's fancy both for you to New York, thank you. You're welcome. Come on, go get some dinner.
I know the man, I had dinner with him last week. It's me. Right, Lee. Remember with him last week?
Yeah, of course I do.
Yeah.
How you doing, love? You alright?
Fine, thank you. Thank you.
And the family, all good, yeah?
Thank you. You're doing it good style now, innit? Quick on the run, innit?
Yeah.
I like the way you're playing, man.
Beef stew.
Yeah, I know, I had some last week.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't, I had rice and peas.
Sit on the bed, you should eat it.
Yeah. And he was here last week as well. I thought he was for last week as well. No, we took over the council.
Thanks, bro. Thanks for doing this for us, mate. I'm fucking skint at the moment. I can't afford to eat.
Stand back a bit.
Yeah, mine's fine.
Sorry, I just love trolleys. I go off my trolley over a trolley. Not too much potato for me if you don't mind. Just like that.
More meat?
Yeah, the meat in it. I'll fucking have some gravy. Could I be saucy bit? Thank you, darling. I got loads of meat. Thank you, darling. And Lee, one for Lee as well, please.
Lee?
Yeah, thanks, man. Cheers. I've got a bit of carbon soup here.
Thank you, boys.
You're welcome.
Jesus
Lee,
loves you.
Lee, you don't mind the potatoes, do you?
No, I love it.
Oh, he needs
What have you
beefing
got,
up. He
mate?
needs fattening
I'm a
up.
grown lad.
Jesus loves you, boys. Jesus loves you. Thank you for helping us. Thank you. We were very hungry. Thank you. This really helps. Thank you very much. Much appreciated, mate.
Thank you very much.
Lovely. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, but have a bit of... Just sit on the armpit there, mate. Cheers. Alright. Hey. I love, God bless you, eh?
Bless you.
No bread.
Should have done some bread.
All right.
Oh, is it right? Yeah, some. No worries, no worries. Yeah, I give it to you, please. I give it to you. Yeah. Want some Didi, yeah? You take some nice hot food, man. There is some chicken, there is some potatoes, there is some peas. Yeah, brother, sit down there, please. No, I give you. No bread, brother. Bread is.
So,
You want some?
yeah, take this.
No naan bread.
No naan. I can bring it tomorrow if you want naan.
Okay. Eat this one. Yeah, they fought before.
Oh, sorry, you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, good man. Bless man. Bless.
Yeah.
Darling, you want some hot food? You want some hot food, darling? Like your chain, man? It's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, bless her, bless her.
Yeah, bless her.
Good vibes, good vibes.
Hello.
Nice sister, it's nice sister, nice, very nice.
Who made it?
Yeah,
Who made it?
this is Chef Ringo.
Allow me as well.
Yeah, yes sister. How are you, alright, madam? You like some hot food?
I'm very well. Yeah. Why not
Sorry,
try?
bless her. No,
Thank you, my brother, thank you, bless you, man.
sorry.
You look great. It's enough for me.
Yeah,
Do you
you
have
need
any
to finish
pork?
now. Yeah,
or-
please, ma'am, that's it.
Oh, very kind. Oh, this is lovely.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
You want some? No, you don't.
Thank you
Come on,
so
don't be
much.
shy, man. Do you want
want to be in a video.
Yeah, let me no, video. No, come your face, brother. This for the people. We working like this in the social media. The people supporting. That's why. That's why. Sorry, apologize. No. It's not.
Where you going now?
Go this way. Is someone there? Someone there? Yeah, we can go.
People along there. Yeah, you coming back?
Oh, you want some more?
Yeah, I eat this and then I some more.
No, because when I come back,
it's going to be finished.
maybe we go that way.
You stop it up now. Thank you, my friend. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. He likes it. I like it as well. Yeah. Tastes lovely.
Thanks, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next one.
Oh,
You want some hot food?
Yeah?
Come. I don't know, you're right.
Hello.
So, if someone need a sleeping bag, I can give them the sleeping bags, yeah? I give the sleeping bags, very necessary, someone, you can give them, okay?
Thank you very much.
Yeah?
You outside?
Yeah. My man. A long story. Yeah, I see the one now.
So did you win the crisis? Go crisis.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow go there and tell you are pregnant. They should arrange a shuttle for you, you know? Yeah?
Ringo, I want it, but no camera. No camera.
No, we bring it for you. Come here. No covering there. Come, brother. Okay, please go tomorrow crisis, yeah? If you need any help, we can do as well to talk with the council and stuff. Yeah, we know our friends are councillors and maybe the MD, she can also help you someone, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sorry, no.
No.
No camera, no
Thanks,
camera.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ringo.
You're welcome. Yes. Thanks, man. Mom, you alright, Mom? You want some cold food?
You okay?
Tomorrow, yeah? Alright, take care.
Joseph, I don't invest in the people on the high street.
Yeah.
Yeah. There might be some.
You want some hot food? You want some hot food?
That's so sweet.
You wanna?
We're absolutely stuffed from dinner.
Okay,
Thank
that's.
you.
Alright.
We're still at the cinema.
Alright. Hi, darling, alright? You want some hot food? We have a stew. Potato, fish, and everything. Give me one. So please, people, look. Lot of people. It's now 10 o'clock.
still people are hungry. A lot of people, you see, they want need food. It's most important. This is our mission to feed 1 million because of this. Because people, they are hungry. They don't have a food. You see, people without food, they're sleeping. How they can sleep? Yeah, and they have a mental health problem. Next day, you see, they have a mental health problem. They go to steal the food from the shop and making problem there. So we need to give the people food. That's the basic thing. Yeah. So that's our mission, to feed 1 million people. I am Joseph from Surrey Street Market. If you are supporting, come Surrey Street Market in Croydon. You can buy all kind of tropical vegetables and fruits. So my mission to feed 1 million with a Ringo vision. Yeah, and our friends are helping us. So please support us. Thank you very much. Thank you, my darling.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wagwan people, you don't know Wagwan, alright? I'm Ringo Vision people, yeah, we just had a fantastic day, yeah, we was outside today. You see that we was at the back of the shop and had to utilise their kitchen stove, you understand? We went to the butcher's today, we get some chicken back, guess why we get chicken back? Because chicken back's one of them one there, authentic Jamaican thing when you're there back home, yeah, and nothing on guan, you know. You see nothing on guan, and some chicken back there, feed pan, so guess what guan? People don't get some chicken back today. You understand? A 1-pot chicken back here. So, and then we went to West Croydon Station, moved through the station up the High Street. You understand, people? Yeah, and from the High Street, you understand, we went to Queen's Park, people. Yeah. So we said we're gonna do 10 weeks. We're now in week 8, people. Yeah. Well done to you and well done to me. You understand? We're still on the journey, people. Yeah. We've got a lot more mouths to feed. We said that we're gonna feed 1 million people. So guess what? Let's keep going. You guys keep sharing, telling friends and family. You understand? And big up each and every one of you that's been a part of the journey, that is a part of the journey. Once more, we have to say thank you, because guess what? We actually have 10k subscribers. You understand, people? Yeah. So we're gonna try and do like a little summer cookout as well, people. Yeah. So big up yourself. Until next time, 24-hour kitchen. Our good vibes.